So, so we're going to kind of get into this just right away. Like I said, I know this is a little bit different than how we usually do this, but there seem to be just a lot of questions coming in. So we're going to spend a good chunk of the time here talking about just some ways to maybe legally avoid duty. And one of the things that before we really even get into any of the strategies mentioned on the slide that you're looking at, there's one thing that we would be remiss if we didn't say, and that's a conversation around the actual classification of your goods. That's not really a duty avoidance strategy, but that is a compliance strategy that I think a lot of people maybe have just used their parts database, the tariff numbers assigned to their goods for an extended period of time. Maybe you came into a role that was passed down over time and you just continued to use it, but maybe it's a really good time to sit down and take a look with Section 232, with Section 301. There's a lot of opportunity to take a look at those tariffs and make sure that we're actually classifying them correctly to begin with. Because a lot of the times we've seen a lot of instances here recently where maybe we weren't classifying exactly correct. And then we get out of this whole conversation around duty avoidance and duty recovery simply with just a correct classification.